Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to track project dependencies visually using ClickUp Gantt charts, your complete guide for 2025. This tool is a godsend in the world of project management, making your workflow more streamlined and efficient. So let's kick things off. First, log into your ClickUp account and navigate to your project. Now, within your project, you'll find the Gantt view. This view gives you a bird's-eye perspective of your project timeline. It's vital because it allows you to see the bigger picture and understand how your tasks are interconnected. Next up, let's add your tasks. You can simply click on the Add Task button and input the task details. The reason we do this is to plot the tasks on the Gantt chart, which will help us track the project's progress visually. Once we've done that, it's time to establish dependencies. You do this by clicking on a task and dragging an arrow to its dependent task. This helps us because it creates a visual link between tasks, showing you what tasks rely on others for completion. Now, let me explain why this matters. Visualizing dependencies allows you to anticipate potential bottlenecks and delays in the project. It ensures that you're not starting a task that relies on another task that's not completed yet. It's like seeing the domino effect in your project before it happens. Finally, keep your Gantt chart updated. As tasks progress, make sure to adjust their timelines and dependencies accordingly. Keeping your chart updated gives you a real-time visual representation of your project's progress, helping you stay on top of things. And that's it. With these steps, you can effectively track project dependencies using ClickUp Gantt charts. Remember, the power of visualizing your project can't be underestimated. It's like a roadmap guiding you towards successful project completion. Thank you for joining us, and remember to keep charting your way to success.